Okay, this is going to be called Nova. So I don't know. This is kind of the it's funny. People look like there's like, oh, they look Chinese, Portuguese maybe. I don't know, Portuguese, Westerner, Chinese. Oh, I guess they maybe just take pictures of people and transplant them into this little imagery. So you have like Westerners and Chinese. So let's just see what it looks like inside. So. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Inside. So kind of interesting. So this is called Nova. It's actually the first mall. I haven't been inside, but they just recently opened up an Ikea. So they're talking about how great the Ikea is, and just so you have reference, there's a big swimming pool right here and a big park. This is called Central Park, and it's surrounded by this kind of wall of apartments all the way around. And then there's more apartments up here too. And then of course this mall that's new, and we're gonna go see it. This is called Nova. So let's take a look. This is gonna be the first time that I'm gone inside, and we're gonna try to find the Ikea. I don't know how far the camera can get in there. I haven't been in there, but we'll definitely find out. So here's looks like they definitely have kind of a community. I've seen this here for they've been building it for about a year and a half. I tried to get in here maybe 6 months ago, and it's just decided it wasn't really for the public, but I guess it is. Here's another one of those. Let's see if it looks anything like that when we get inside. Got all the people taking pictures. YouTuber. Okay. Pretty interesting. Okay. Looks like kind of Macau clothing. So it looks like they must have taken pictures of people they see around Macau, I guess. I don't know. Or models that pose a certain way for the picture, and who knows. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, so here you have to do hand sanitizer, and then there's Starbucks. And it looks like there's a lot of stuff that's, then you have to do all these heat checks as well. So this is going to be Nova, first shopping mall in Macau. Usually we use casinos at shopping malls, so and it looks like there's a lot of stuff that says coming soon. So we're going to find out soon. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not open yet. So they have coming soon. So everything is coming soon. So new Johan. But this one is Ikea, so we're gonna, I don't know if I can even bring the camera up or not. So yeah, it looks like this downstairs is gonna be a shopping mall. And this is basically what Ikea is gonna look like. And I probably can't bring a camera in. Okay, this is kind of a food cafe in this space, so lots of people. So we're gonna go check it out. It's crowded. This is the Ikea. So some of the food, it's all Swedish. So I think I have to, I can't film inside, but keep social distancing, but it's so crowded in here that you can't. There's lines here everywhere, so anyways, we're gonna walk out, and it's crazy crowded in here. See if we can find an exit. like I found the exit, so we'll see. Okay, so here's the how crowded it is. It's really crowded. Ikea. And I guess they said we have to take the elevator to go out. So we'll do that. Okay, so we're back outside. So yeah, this is called Nova. There's the food court I was just at, so I filmed from that corner. And it's like 2 stories. It's pretty massive. There's people way up there. I think it's the Starbucks. So it's going to be basically a mall and the Ikea. I don't know how to compare it to other places of other Ikeas, so I don't know if it's big or small or not. But basically that's what it looks like, and it looks like it's going to be very popular for quite some time. It seems like mostly Swedish food. I saw some other stuff. There's like hot dogs. Kind of walked around a lot, but I know that I didn't see anybody else with the camera filming, so I didn't want to film if I didn't want my film to be confiscated or anything like that. So anyways, okay, let's just end it right there. So that's Nova. This is the context of where it's at. This might give you greater context. So this is where I was just at. Ikea sees this whole building right here. So I guess, well, that way down there, right there, was part of Ikea too. So I guess it goes, I don't know, at least it's pretty big, maybe from there to there. But then there's all these tall apartments all up above it as well. So it's kind of interesting when you see it in that context. The rooftop up there. So it looks like it's going to be a giant shopping mall with the Ikea that's going to take up a nice portion of it. Okay, let's end it right there.